This is my 1963 Ford F-250 long bed. It's been recently restored. Gone through pretty much everything mechanical and appearance. It was taken down to bare metal. There was no rust on it when we started, but it was taken down to bare metal. Any dings and dents were repaired, and then it was primered and block sanded numerous times until we got it completely laser straight. Then it was painted the original Ford colors, single stage, with a spray-in matching bed liner. Runs and drives great. 292 Y-block V8 2-barrel carb, 3-speed manual transmission on the column.